Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute Meta AI chats on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, we want to go to our WhatsApp app or web version. So basically, all the apps would have the same thing. So here I'm using the web version. And now we want to go to our Meta AI. And here we have our Meta AI that is working with the Llama LLM. And here we will find our Meta chats. So we can start asking Meta chats whatever we want. And here we will have this 3 points icon as well as we will have this menu that will be showing from here. So basically, if we want to mute the chat, you will be needing to go to any Meta AI chat, and from here you will want either to mute notification, and that will mute your Meta AI, or we can simply go here and we will find here you can either clear the chat, close the chat, and now or you can even delete the chat here. And whenever you want to add a new chat with Meta AI, you will be able to start having it here. And the same will be for conversation. We can go for this conversation and you will have also the option of start adding or invoking Meta AI, and this will be on your mobile application, and you will be able also to start muting your Meta here. And that way you will be able to successfully start muting your Meta AI chats whenever you would like. Also, you will be able to start interact with Meta AI however you like, and it will start generating the information or generating the conversation and messages, etc. And then you will be needing to simply clear the chat again. So just click on clear and it will stop generating. And in my case, I'm just going to delete this chat and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.